Hi Taranum, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Same to you. What are you doing?
I'm searching for information on the internet.
Last Sunday when I came to your home, I saw that you were using internet.
Yes, when I got new information about my school project.
Oh, using internet for a long time is not good for us.
But why?
Because it affects on our minds.
How?
Yesterday, I read a message on mobile phone. This message is about safety tips for new kids.
Can you explain that message, please?
Of course, when I read this message, I know that we should never give out personal information such as mobile phone, password, photos and address, etc.
Okay, my friend, I follow your advice and don't give my personal information to the others.
Good. Be careful while starting and closing the websites.
Okay, I'm careful while start and close the websites.
Very good. Remember, never meet your online friends alone and do not dare say yes to any gifts reward your name.
Oh, but I also meet my friend alone and they also give me gifts and I also accept their gifts.
Oh, you may be in trouble.
But my friend, I follow your advice and don't meet my online friend alone. Thank you to give the information about the internet. Before this, I am aware about the harmful effects of the internet. But now I know about the harmful effects of the internet. Thank you, friend.
It's okay. It's my pleasure.